So on TranZact, you might have seen that whenever you get yourself registered and then after you define a team, then also you don't get an option of team permission. So how does it work? Let me define you. On TranZact, your profile comes in different stages. Like the very first stage when you log in and sign up and then after make some activity. Then comes the stage 2 part where you go ahead and make 15 documents, and then after your company stage or your profile stage get moved from stage 1 to stage 2, that is the advanced. So team permission and service document basically get activated on the stage 2. So what you need to do, you need to go in your transaction module, and in your transaction module from your create document option in your right hand side, you need to create any of the documents, like 15 documents you need to create. Either that will be a purchase order, that will be an order confirmation, that will be an invoice, or any document. You can go ahead and create 15 documents. Then after, access management module will get activated for your profile. So this is the access management module. In access management module, you can go ahead and once you will hover on this three dot, you will get an option of permission over the team. So this is how it works. So I would request you, please go ahead and create 15 documents. And then after also, if you don't get the option of team permission, please reach us over support chat and we will be there to help you within 20 seconds. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.